I'm Rhonda with Rhonda Gage's Creation, and I crochet. So, what hook should a beginner crocheter use? Most beginners start out in the middle with the worsted weight yarn and a size H hook. This is a good middle of the road size that will help you get used to the rhythm of your crochet stitches. When you're more experienced, you can try smaller hooks with lighter yarns as well as larger hooks with heavier yarns. So they are saying to use this one right here. I do believe I have, nope, that's an I, sorry. Maybe in this one I have an H. I have like hooks everywhere. So this one is the H. So here I have the G, and here I have the I. So that is 3 hooks, G, H, I. So most beginners should start with the H. And that came out of a blanket, so I need to put that back in there. So also, the hooks can come in different ways. So you have like these two, where this one has more of a point. I keep trying to take it down below. So like this one has more of a point than this one does. So that also helps to go into the stitches. And then I also have like these two that are both G's. One is fatter, one is thinner. This one has the point, this one does not. One's ergonomic, one's aluminum. So there's a variety of hooks. These ones are from Hobby Lobby, so you could get a set like that. So like this is my blanket I'm working on. It's a whatchamacallit, scrap blanket. So this hook is one I've used throughout this whole blanket. So it goes through the stitches pretty easy. This one is a little bigger. It's not the pointed, so it's a little harder to go through. This one is pointed, and I'll go in between my fingers if I can do it. Goes through. This one is thicker, and it doesn't have the curve in it. And then this one has the point. So it goes right on through. So thanks, just a little tip. Have a great day. Bye.